Yes. On today's assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to actually use the information from your family, since you're at home with your families. You're going to use the information from your family to get some numbers, and we're going to write down some numbers. And um, I'm not trying to get personal information here. I'm just trying to show you how Excel works. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Excel. Again, it's going to look like this right here. You're going to open it up. If you should be on your desktop. Okay, it looks like that right there. It has an X. And then you're going to, after you open it up, it's going to get to this screen right here. You're going to double click on blank workbook. I always like to go to view and to go to page layout so I can see how it fits on the page. I'm going to go to A2. These are columns. These are rows. So the A's, the letters are columns, vertical, up and down. The rows are horizontal. So I'm going to go to A2. I'm going to put name. I'm going to put age. I'm going to put height. And then I'm going to put shoe size. Now, again, I just need numbers in here so to show you how the program works. Now, if you need more room for your name, if you notice, I've already started dragging and making this larger. You can go to the line that's right in between the A and the B, left click and hold, and you can drag and make it as large as you need or as small as you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my information from my family, Mr. H, and then I'm going to Mrs. H, and then for our age, I'm 55, double nickel. When you're driving down the interstate on 581, that's what 55, that's the speed limit. Now, my wife's 56. Now, height, you need to do this in inches. So what you have to do, I'm 5'11". So I'm going to take 12 times 5, 60, and then add 11. So I get 71. My wife is 5'8". So I'm going to take 60 plus 8 and get 68. Shoe size, 9.5 for me, and then 7 for my wife. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put total. We're going to add up these numbers. Now, if you have a small family like I do, and if you wanted to get some information from a friend or someone that doesn't actually live with you, like a grandparent or cousin, that would be fine. No problem there. If not, just put the information. You can learn the same amount. Now, why is this? We're going to do average. Why is this important? Well, it's easy to add these up and just use a calculator when it's 2 or 3 of them. Let's say you had 1,000. Let's say you're in business, you had 1,000 people that you were keeping track of, and you were keeping track of how much they spent, their hours, anything like that. This will add it up very, very quickly. It will average it very, very quickly, just as quickly as I'm getting ready to show you. So to go to the formulas, you're going to go right up here to formulas, go to auto sum. First thing we're going to do on the top line is add each one of them. So I'm going to go to sum, hit enter, average adds them up, click on this total right here, sum, hit enter, and then I go right here and I go sum, and every now and then, like that one, it's going to grab the wrong spot. If it grabs the wrong 2 or 3 or 4, however many you have, you just have to left click and hold and highlight them, hit the enter key. Those are my totals. It's just adding those numbers up. For average, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go same place, auto sum, the down arrow, click on average, and I want to average those 2 numbers, hit the enter key, 55.5, average these 2 numbers, average, select these 2, hit enter. That's how that works. Click on this one right here, average, select these 2, hit enter, and that's how that works. You're going to save this, okay, save as, you're going to put it somewhere, documents or wherever you want to put it, and then you're just going to submit this file that you save onto your Blackboard, and then I will check it over after you're done. So please just submit that. I took a picture of this right here. I put it on Blackboard. I'm getting ready to put this video link on Blackboard so that you'll be able to see it and do the work. If you have any questions, as always, email me and I will be glad to respond very quickly. Have a great day and stay safe.